Welcome to Bold Talk series where creativity, leadership, ideas, and innovation come together. My name is Ludvik, and today I have a privilege to have a short one-on-one conversation with Oded, a VP of Digital CRM and Data, Migdal Group. Oded, great seeing you. Welcome to our Bold Talk series. How are you?
Great, good seeing you as well. Thank you for having me.
Great. Well, welcome. And first thing first, congratulations for Migdal Group winning the Bold fifth edition, our last edition. It was great to have you guys there, and looking forward to have this conversation together.
Thank you. Looking forward as well.
Fantastic. Well, Oded, give us an overview of Migdal and what got you started working with Migdal Group.
So, like you said, today I'm the VP of Digital Data and CRM Development in Migdal. I'm here over 5 years now. I started my journey in the digital world way past in the late 90s as a software developer in the telco industry in a company that's called Partner. Partner Israel is a major telco company. I've been there for 11 years. I ended up as the digital channel development manager. And afterward, 11 years, I wanted my career to give my career a jump. And I went to the financial industry, and I've been to Cal for over 2 years. Cal is an Israeli credit card company. And I managed their 85 incredible employees. But after 2 years, I got an opportunity to come to Migdal, and you don't say no to Migdal, because Migdal is a leading insurance provider in Israel, actually established 90 years ago in 1934, even before our country was established. And as a leading insurance company, they are leading the cutting-edge innovation. And looking at my career, it was straightforward to go to this place. And with the passion of improving user experience and digital experience, like we did in Migdal Connect, that gave us the 2 Bold Awards on the future of work and the fintech categories. Just a little background for our listeners, Migdal Connect is a mobile platform that empowers insurance agents, not the customer, the agents. They are also our customer and our supervisor, insurance supervisor, with real-time data, automation of tasks and workflow, and a live dashboard. So to come to a company like Migdal, it's like, you don't, like I said, you don't say no to it.
Yeah, well, it's like kind of if you got a call to join a a great football a team, right? In Italy or UK, right?
In Israel, there's no great football teams. It's only so we're okay.
Yeah. Well, that's great. That's awesome. Well, so could you share some of the insights into Migdal Insurance Group's approach to digital transformation with the insurance within insurance industry?
Well, it's a tricky question because as insurance company, we need we are very regulated, but our approach to digital transformation strikes a balance between incremental progress and disruptive innovation. We recognize the importance of safeguarding customer data and maintaining regularity compliance. We prioritize incremental steps to ensure security and minimize risk. However, we also understand the need to foster innovation and avoid stifling progress with excessive barriers. So to achieve this balance, we set clear project goals and vision from the outset, and establishing critical checkpoints to guide our progress. By promoting a mutual understanding among team members regarding the boundaries and the expectation, we empower our teams to explore and innovate within a framework of clear direction and accordingly the regularity.
Yeah.
This approach allows us to leverage best of both incremental and disruptive strategy, driving meaningful digital transformation like Migdal Connect, and we will talk maybe later about open finance. This is our approach to mitigate the potential risk.
Now, what are some of the challenges you encounter in implementing these digital initiatives, and how do you overcome it?
So first, if we talk about Migdal Connect, we have some key challenges we successfully navigated, like we won the prize. Initially, there was a apprehension about adopting new technologies like Ionic for mobile development. When you develop an application, you can choose whether implement it with a native language like Swift and Java, but you can implement it in a multi-platform like React Native or Flutter. But there is another way of Ionic, which is a web development. For this application, it was just perfect because we quickly overcome the learning of the new technology and align with our web development standard. We rapidly acceptance among our teams, which means we are in a very fast way implement this new approach of Ionic before we develop in a native language. So this is one struggle we had, and we overcome it. Ensuring secure connectivity in the cloud. Like I said, we are an insurance company, and security is very in our art. So it poses the complexities, particularly concerning sensitive information, because like I said, it's a data application shared with third-party agents, leveraging our corporate security and shared service teams, along with targeted training. So we address those concerns and gain the trust of our partners. Security is really in our art. And another challenge was managing information overload and optimizing the user experience for various rules within the platform. Like we had the agents, we had the supervisor. Each one needed to get his interface. So we tackled this by prioritizing essential insight and refining the user experience. Throughout those challenges, our great assets was our employees. By harnessing existing in-house skills and talent, we achieve a really remarkably fast time to market. Migdal Connect going live in just 3 months. This is emphasize our internal capability. So
that's amazing. Well, yeah. you have a data background, data analytics background, Oded, and how does Migdal leverages data analytics to obviously to enhance the customer experience, but also optimize business operations?
Well, first, I think it's the basic. You have to have data analytics to improve your application no matter what. So we harness the power of data analytics to drive both immediate improvement and future innovation in our customer experiences and business operations. In Migdal Connect, we analyze qualitative and business qualitative and performance data to understand the user behavior, identify areas that we need to enhance, ensure alignment with our objective. Regular engagement with our end users allow us to gather valuable qualitative feedback, shaping our ongoing improvement. Moreover, our commitment to innovation extends beyond internal platform. Like I said before, we are collaborating, for example, with Open Finance. We are a pioneer of the integration of open banking in Israeli insurance sector. We're streamlining loan application against saving and minimizing documentation requirement. We are leveraging anonymously aggregated financial data and customer behavior insight. We not only enhance our current offering, but also identify emerging trends and opportunities, empowering us to develop tailored financial products and services that meet evolving customer needs.
Yeah, incredible. Now, Oded, in your opinion, what emerging technologies or trends do you foresee shaping the future of insurance industry and fintech, and how is Migdal preparing to adapt to these changes?
Well, in anticipation the future landscape of our insurance industry, we are embracing emerging technologies and trends to stay ahead of the curve. So one significant area of focus is the AI. You know, everyone talks about AI and ChatGPT and everything, so we embrace it. And to enhance the customer experience, like our pioneering initiatives introduced Israel's first generative AI chatbot designed to engage a natural dialogue with our end user, adapting to their tone and providing personalized responses. By prioritizing real-world learning, we're rapidly evolving this technology to deliver a more engaging and helpful interaction with customers. And another thing, additionally to this, like I said before, we recognize the importance of leveraging partnership and connected ecosystem to unlock new revenue streams. Through our collaboration with Open Finance that I talked about before, we've become the first insurance company in Israel to utilize open banking, streamlining processes for loan, like I said, minimizing documentation. This is not only accelerates our current operation, but also sets the stage for future innovative ventures. So
Now,
this is what I see. Yes?
Yeah, Oded, now this requires a lot of collaboration. And how does your team collaborate with other departments is the key, such as product development or marketing, to drive digital innovation. So give us an example, like what is it that what are the dynamics are between various departments to achieve these business objectives?
Yeah, well, collaboration across department is fundamental to driving digital innovation. You cannot do it without collaboration between departments. This is our way to achieve our business objective. For instance, with initiatives like Migdal Connect, we assemble cross-functional teams comprising individuals from various departments, product development, marketing, IT infrastructure, security, and much, much more. Multidisciplinary approach ensures a comprehensive perspective and expertise throughout the project lifecycle. I don't think that anyone can do innovation with only one team. Our core team, led by an executive sponsor and including members from digital distribution channels, like I said, product managers, marketing, lots of people from lots of department. And additionally, we leverage shared services from the organization, such as IT infrastructure and corporate security teams. So it's like a regular reporting interval to management, ensure alignment with strategic objective, an executive sponsor, while matrixing existing staff into project teams enable us to leverage this broader corporate responsibilities and expertise. We are a huge company with a lot of teams, and we all collaborate to the same target.
That's amazing. Oded, what does bold mean to you? The word bold, not bolder words.
Well, bold is bold. Being bold means stepping outside your comfort zone. And you cannot be the same as everyone and change the history. So it's all about solving real problems and creating value. And when I talk about my team, I aim their mindset and I encourage my employee to think about questions they can provide us. They can provide like, how can we increase productivity? How can they save time and simplifying tasks? How can we improve customer satisfaction? How can we deliver faster and more convenient service? This is what I'm called being bold. And the future of work must be bold and dynamic. Migdal Connect represent steps through a future where technology empowers people, unlock human potential, and creates a seamless experience for both employees and customers. And this is bold.
Yeah. Well, asking questions as you've been asking all these whys is what really bold. Thank you for joining me in this Bold Talk series. Congrats again for winning the last edition of Bold Awards. Until next time, take care, be great, and be bold always. Take care.
Thank you.